So if you're going to buy land and actually live in the rural parts of Wisconsin, more than likely you will be doing your own property maintenance. This could include cutting the grass, taking care of the leaves and stuff like that. Today we are getting ready for a potential snowstorm. As long as the weather prediction is correct, we could get anywhere from 4 to 9 inches of snow. And since we have a very long driveway, it's over 600 feet, I'm making sure that our UTV and plow is ready to go for this upcoming snowstorm, so that we can make sure that we're ready to go as far as going to work, just making sure everything is accessible. It's a big thing when you live in the rural part of Wisconsin. Now, you can hire people to maintain your driveway when it snows, but you need to remember you're probably one of many, and you might not get plowed out right away. And so by having a UTV with a plow, you can get on it on your own schedule and take care of things as they come in. So let's go around our UTV real quick so that you can check out our setup, and then we'll take a quick drive through our driveway so you can see what we're working with. And then, as long as, like I said, the weather is correct, tomorrow I'll probably be shooting a video of me actually plowing the driveway so you can see how this thing works and how we get out of our driveway that's about 600 feet long. Now, UTVs come in, there's so many brands now, so many different models, but this is a 2022 Polaris Ranger 500. Super simple, nothing fancy at all. It does have some upgrades. So we do have the back windshield here. This does have a back bumper that was installed as well. It does have the front windshield and the roof. If I would recommend anything, it's definitely the front windshield and the roof. It does have a super aggressive bumper as well. And then the main thing is this poly blade, and it's obviously controlled by a winch for the up and down, but these are super easy to take off. It's all mounted basically right in here. There's a little lever if you want to disconnect it, and then you just pull everything back, or you can back the UTV up. It's really easy to connect and disconnect this. What I also like about this one is this lever here will help change the angle. So normally what I'll do is I'll run down our driveway through the middle with just a straight blade, and then when I come back and forth, I'll angle it off to the side so that it moves the snow out of the way. But this is a really simple machine. Not really much that could go wrong, you know, just as long as you maintain everything. For our property, this is a smaller one, but for our property, you know, only being 3 acres, it works for everything that we're looking to do with it. This is the control for the winch, so this will control the in and out, and on a plow that's going to be the up and down. So let's go take a quick drive along our driveway so you can see what we'll be plowing when it snows. Looks like we did get some snow. It's not as much as I thought it would be, but we're probably halfway through the storm. We probably only have about 2 or 3 inches, but I wanted to do at least one pass to show you how well this works. Obviously, it's pretty easy to plow this right now, but we're gonna do it just so that I can show it, and then also in case we do get more, at least I already have some done. So let's go plow some snow. obviously that wasn't a ton of snow, but at least we got a few runs in. We got some more room in case we do get more snow. And if worse comes to worse, the sun will melt it a lot quicker. So hope you enjoyed seeing how this plow worked. We'll do one last run so you can see what the finished product looks like for now. And I'll probably be out here once we get a little bit more snow just to clean everything up.